Hello children, we are learning geography lesson now. Europe, the peninsula of Asia. In the last class, physical features of Asia we learned, location, its physical extent, all that we learned. Today we are learning the climate of the Europe continent. Sorry. Yes, see children, climate means what is the weather condition of that continent, that one it is. It is influenced by many factors. It depends on the many factors. That one is there children. These are all basic things in the geography children. You must learn this one. How the climate it will be. It depends on what factors. That one. See latitudes. 3 important latitudes are there. Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Equator. So how they are passing, where they are passing, according to that only the climate will be there. It is influencing on the climate. Then reliefs, these physical features. See children, rainfall, forest is there means rainfall will be there. Climate will be cool. Desert is there means rainfall will be less. Hot climate. Like this, physical features also influence the climate. Then winds. Winds, how they are blowing, according to that also climate will be there. If wind is blowing from the water bodies means rainfall will be there. Cool climate will be there. If winds are blowing from the land means there will be no rainfall. Climate will be hot. Like this way, wind is also influencing the climate. Next comes position of the continent. Where the continent? If it is in the southern hemisphere means the climate will be different from the northern. If it is in the northern means it will be hot climate. If it is in the southern part means it will be cold climate. Like this, according to the position of the continent also the climate will differ. These are the factors which determines the climate of the continent. Latitude, reliefs, winds, position of the continent. Follow children. Next comes what type of climate Europe is having. Europe is having the temperate climate. Temperate climate. Neither too cold nor too hot it is. How it will be? See children, winters are long and cooler. Winters are for the long time and they are very cold. Next, summers are shorter. Summers are for the less period and they are very hotter. Summer will be hotter. Comparing to northern Europe and the western Europe are cool children comparing to the south and the east. Followed, comparing to southern and the eastern Europe, west and the north Europe is cool. Winters are long. Why means Atlantic Ocean is there. In the west side of the Europe, Atlantic Ocean is there. In the last class I showed in the map children. So that winds, whatever winds are blowing from the Atlantic Ocean, they will influence the climate of the Europe. East side, Ural mountains are there. So, whatever the winds are blowing in the continent, because of that one, the northern part of the Europe and the western part of the Europe is cool more than the east and the southern. Follow children, this is the climate, but it is not same in all the parts of the continent. It differs children. So that climatic regions are divided into 4 divisions: maritime, northern west Europe, continental climate, then Mediterranean climate, mountainous climate. Like this 4 divisions they made in the climate of the Europe. Take this consider. One by one I will explain the divisions of the climate. Yes, first one is maritime, northern west northwest climate. How it will be? How it is? The characteristics of this climate is winters are mild, and summers cool summers. Summer also very cool it is, not so hot, and ample rainfall. Rainfall will be very much. Then cloudy and foggy days are the main characteristics of this type of climate. Rainfall will be more chilly. Days will be foggy. Then winters are cool, mild cool there, not so cool. Then summer also not so hot there. They are also cool. That is the characteristics of the Maritime Northwest Europe climatic region. What is the temperature in the summer and the winter means? In the summer it will be 18 degrees Celsius. 18 means it is less hot only children. Cool only it is. Then in the winter it is 10 degrees Celsius. Very cold it is. Comparing to our temperature, it is very less only and very cold only. Yes, rainfall will be 75 centimeters. Rainfall, average rainfall per year it is, that will be 75 centimeters. Where you will get this type of climate? Country's name, that is Norway, Spain and Central Europe experiences this climate. So about all these points, climatic regions points they are having in textbook children. So whatever I am explaining now, underline that points. Followed the first one, Maritime Northwest Europe continent. It will be cool place on each other. Rainfall will be heavy. Foggy days is cool, 18 degree to 10 degree. You will get the temperature. Very cool climate you find in this one. Norway, Spain and Central Europe are getting this type of climate. Next comes continental climate. What it is? Continental climate means that is, it is characterized by the cold winter and warm summer. See children, winters will be cold. Then summer will be there, but they are warm. How it will be? See, in the winter, temperature will be minus 12 degree. Minus 12 degree, very cold, freezing point you can say. Then in the summer, it will be 10 degrees Celsius. Very cold, no? Yes, and rainfall will be 50 centimeter, average rainfall. Then maximum rainfall will come in the summer as a convectional rain. Convectional rain, while teaching the Asia explained children, do you remember? Convectional means in the daytime it will be very hot. Then evening time it will start raining. That is called convectional rain. That type of rainfall you will get in the continental climate. In the surrounding water bodies, you will get this type of climate, continental climate. Ocean is there, sea is there, means you will get the continental climate. Hot it will be in the daytime and evening time it will rain. That one. Then where we get the continental climate means Poland, Slovakia, Czech Republic, Hungary, Romania and Bulgaria. In these countries you will get the continental climate. Followed. Next comes Mediterranean climate. Mediterranean climate, the characteristics of the Mediterranean climate are hot, dry and sunny summer. It will be hot children and rainfall will be less only. Winters with the rainfall. Usually rainfall will come in the summer, but in the Mediterranean type of climate, rainfall will be in the winter season. So the average temperature in the Mediterranean climate is 8 degrees Celsius in the winter. Cold only it is. Then 22 degree in the summer. Comparing to other region, it is hot only, 22 degrees in the summer. The average rainfall will be 75 centimeters to 100 centimeters. It is found in the southernmost part of the Europe, which are adjoining to the Mediterranean Sea. In the south part, Mediterranean Sea is there, no children? There you will get the Mediterranean type of climate. Followed, in simple words, Mediterranean climate means winters are very cold and summers are very hot. That is called Mediterranean climate. And usually rainfall will be in the summer. But in the Mediterranean type of climate, rainfall will be in the winter season. Followed? Yes, next comes mountainous climate. In the hilly places, what you are getting, the children? Climate. That is called mountainous climate. Where you will find this one? It is in the Alps mountain. Then Caucasus mountain. In that region, you will get the mountainous climate. How it will be? It is controlled by the altitudes. Then altitudes means height of the mountain. It depends on the height of the mountain. Then angle of the sun rays. How the sun rays will fall on that mountains. Either straight means it will be hot. Slant means it will be cool. Like that. Then winds. Position of the wind. If towards the hilly region wind is blowing from the water bodies means it will be cool. If wind is blowing from the land means it will be hot. Followed, children? Yes. The average temperature is here. It is -4 degrees Celsius. -4 degrees Celsius in the winter and 16 degrees Celsius in the summer. Cool only it is. The average rainfall will be 50 to 200 centimeters. Rainfall will be more here. Why means here wind are blowing from the Atlantic Ocean, children. If wind is blowing from the water bodies means it carries the moisture. It causes the rainfall. So towards the mountain it is when wind is blowing means that mountains are the obstacles for the wind. It will not go anywhere. There it will stop. Then it will start raining. Because of this reason, the rainfall will be more in the mountainous region. Followed. Then, at the height of the mountainous region, temperature is below the freezing point. See, if mountain is very high, at the top of the mountain, temperature will be very less. Nil only it is. -, degrees will be there. Freezing point. Ice will be falling there. If you are going to the any mountainous place, however you are going to the height of that mountain, no, it will get cold because temperature will be less. At the peak of the mountain, you will get the freezing point. Snowfall will be there. Followed, children? Yes, this is all about the climatic regions of the Europe. I hope you understand all the 4 climatic regions. How the climate depends on what factors and what are the Mediterranean climate, what is continental climate, mountainous climate. These are the basic things, children. Now only started the geography lesson. It is all basic only. Evergreen forest, deciduous forest, all new words for you. So neatly I am explaining the meaning of that word. Once or twice you watch the video, understand the meaning of these geographical words. It is important. Okay? Yes, take the regions of the climatic regions. Yes, climatic regions only enough for today's children. Vegetation I will take in the next class. For today's class, it is a homework. Mention the factors which are influencing the climate. That one you have to write. What is the climate of Europe? Mention the climatic regions of Europe. Then, what do you mean by continental climate? Meaning you have to write. What do you mean by Mediterranean climate? That meaning also you have to write. Okay, children? Natural vegetation I will take in the next class. Thank you.